Okay guys, you know how I've been, so welcome back to another video, but you know how I've been like, playing Royal High and Foxburg. I'm just gonna do random games, but most of the time I'm probably gonna do Theme Park Ticket too, because it's a game I've been playing more than Royal High. Hi, cat. So yeah, I'm gonna play it today, also. Oh gosh, wait, the Airport Tycoon. There's an update though. Okay. Once it loads. So I'm gonna show you my one I've been working on, my normal theme park. It's 4.5 stars, and it's pretty big. I'm working on that area over there, and I'm trying to make a transformation ride, but it's not working too well. So I'm gonna try doing that today. Right here. You can't do it more than like that thing. So I have an idea. I'm gonna start it like this, and then put, oh my gosh, my cat, and then put it like that. Oh, okay. And then I'm gonna build the ride. I've been trying like 30 times. Sorry about that. I've been trying to like build this ride like 30 times, except it never worked, so yeah. Now I'm gonna try to make it work. It's close to that ride over there. And go straight, and do that. Build. I'm basically doing this transformation ride just so that nobody really comes over here. So I'm gonna make people come over here. Basically, these people wanted to come over here, but I can't let them really. I don't know if this is even gonna work, because I tried this a time. Okay, I'm gonna make it all the way back here. Can I do that? Yes, I can. Maybe that, and that, and then that, and then down. And maybe No. I'm just gonna... That might work perfectly. And then I'm gonna bring it. I can't do that. Because then the thing, that thing is gonna get in the way. I think that's it. The same height. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, I'm not been talking much because... Oh, come on, it's not. Okay. Okay. Now, straight, 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 straight. Turn. No. Okay. Oops. Yes. And then straight. And then that. Wait, I didn't even open it. Does it just keep going? $20? Okay, if they want it to be. Okay. Now I need... No. This. And then the exit. Will this work? I don't think so. Okay. Okay then. Okay guys, I've been working a lot up here. Like, I made a food place up here instead of that ride because it didn't work very well. But now, I'm hungry. Okay, good for you, Lucas. And now, I'm gonna make a ride going up here because it seems that people want to go up there. Actually, that's not why, but yeah. I think the same as them. Let's go up. And then, wait. Okay, never mind. I don't know what was wrong with this idea. Oh, because it didn't have fences. Okay. Then I'm gonna make a ginormous platform. Okay, now over here. Okay, I'm gonna skip through this part. People keep coming up here. I don't know why, there's literally nothing to do here. But I'm gonna start putting trash cans places. Because these people won't throw their trash away somewhere else. Because you have to put trash cans everywhere. That's very unrealistic though. So I don't like doing that. Now I need to there, 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 and there. It's necessary. Trash cans. Stashed money? Oh, because I have $100,000. Okay. I've never had that before. That's probably it. Oh my gosh. My cat is coming back. My other cat, actually. To purr on my computer. Oh my gosh. Okay, just stop. Okay. Now. Oh yeah, I'm just kidding. I can't do that. I don't know why I did that. Oh my gosh, that actually worked. Now, I don't know what I'm gonna put here, so I'm gonna think for a minute. So, I decided that I was going to build a roller coaster. Hi, person. Nobody come up here. Please, nobody come up here. No, I wanted to block off this area. No. Oh wait, I can't do that anyways, because then it's gonna block off the food area. Okay, so I'm just gonna build a roller coaster, because that seems easier. Especially because there's a lot of people just over here. I'm not sure what I want to do. I'm gonna make a crazy ride. Like crazy, but like pretty simple. But like crazy. I'm gonna go height limit. Okay, that's height limit. Get rid of that. Thought I was gonna forget. No. It's probably not gonna be crazy, because I can't make crazy rides. I have an idea though, just for this one part. What